What is up, guys? THROTTLEDFILMS here. Today we are actually going to be installing some RGBs in my new car, and this is also going to be my new car reveal video. These RGBs were given to me by my friend Caleb. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. Go sub to him, show him some love. He's pretty new to this, so hey, and by the way, there's even a video I edited on his channel that I think you guys would love. So the RGBs he gave me, heavily used, by the way. I mean, they're not in the best condition, but they're gonna work. All right, we're just they're gonna work. I mean, look at that. There's duct tape on it. I don't even know what this is for. We got some more duct tape. We got whatever that is. It's out of here. Now you guys may be like, why aren't you unlocking it with the thing? I mean, if you look at it, it's held together by duct tape, so I'd be surprised if this button works, which I haven't tried it yet. The unlock the lock works, but the unlock doesn't, so I gotta figure that out. What is that? What is this, dude? 0 sugar, 0 calories, rapid hydration, 0 carbs, 0 artificial dyes. What else is 0? 0 fat, 0 saturated fat, 0 trans fat, cholesterol 0, sodium 15, potassium 55. Oh my gosh. No sugar, no calories, nothing. This must be an energy drink that's healthy. Sour gummy worms. That is absolutely amazing. You know what the greatest part about that is? It doesn't even taste like cough syrup like most energy drinks taste like. All right, cutting to the chase. This is a newer energy drink that has made it to the market. It's called Raze Energy. Actually, one of the best I've ever had. I mean, Bang is good, but it just tastes so strange. This tastes like flavored water, and it has 300 milligrams of caffeine. And it's crazy. So I'll leave a link to Raze in the description. Use my code THROTTLEDFILMS for 10% off your order. By the way, guys, she's a stick. So not even gonna lie, I didn't know that the cigarette lighter was also the power thing. Yeah, we're not really gonna need this because frick smoking. Never gonna need that again. Alrighty, this goes through here, there, that. Alright, so I remember Caleb saying something about the green not working in one of the lights. So I believe it was this wire that was pulled out, and you can see RGB VVC, which I believe this is the power, green, red, and blue. And this one is the green because this is where all the white wires go to. And then red is the red wires and blue is the green wires. So I do happen to have a soldering gun, and I'm gonna go try and use that to my advantage. We'll see how it goes.
They are free to roam above the sea, and their story stays with me like a haunting melody. What do spirits say?
Fixed it. Hopefully this doesn't blow up in my hand. Alright, so far nothing. Haven't turned on the car yet though. So far they're looking good. Green's coming up right here. Green works phenomenal. Look at that. Okay. You know, sad part is too is that I installed these into his truck. Alright, so we got this all figured out now. Here's the power source. There's the LED that's going to go down here. I got the one that's going to go down my main right here. And I got the two in the back here. You can't really see them because I can't stretch that far. But yeah.
What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say?
Well, so we got the passenger side and driver side done. Now we have to do the back seats. Can't wait for that. Before we start that rear, another drink break. Oh God. Driver side, passenger side, rear driver and rear passenger are done. Now we just have to wait till nighttime, clean out my car, and should be looking fresh.